sexy this camera looks. Let's get into the video. Hey guys, my name is William Hernandez, and on this channel we do reviews, tutorials, and vlogs. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K camera setup. So that all being said, let's jump into the video. So here it is in all its glory, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Look how fancy it looks. I did not buy this camera myself. This belongs to my job, and I am lucky enough to have the privilege to be working with such nice equipment like this. So just a disclaimer there. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. So this is the camera, and as you can probably tell, I just have this Tilta camera cage on here already. I didn't want to show myself putting that on because that would take too long. If you're looking at camera cages, small rig make a camera cage pretty much exactly the same as this, but we went with Tilta, and honestly I feel like their products are a lot better personally. And the next accessory we have for this camera cage is the Tilta top handle. So there it is. I don't know if that's in focus or not. I think it might be. I don't know. But here it is, the Tilta top handle, and it just goes straight on the top of the hot shoe on the cage. Before I put the top handle on, one of the things I do like about these Tilta camera cages is that it has all these holes on it for screws, so you can screw on all these attachments and whatnot. So with this top handle here, it has this little screw right here, and you can just screw on directly onto the camera, so that's pretty handy. Like on here, it has like these arrows on it, pointing to where the hot shoe is, and has all these holes right here for you to screw it on. So boom, there's a top handle on there, just like that. So got some more stabilization right there when you hold it like that. That's pretty nice. And the next thing we have is a little side handle here. It's a Tilta side handle. I don't know which one, but it's one of them. So there's that. You got this little screw thing. That way you can just screw right onto the bottom of the camera cage. So I'll put that on too. And then boom, there you go. There's a side handle right there. Got a side handle and a top handle, so you got some like stability there. Alright, the next accessory we have is one of like these NATO rail system things. I don't really know what these things are called, but this is a Tilta accessory as well. This all came in a kit, just so you guys know. It has this mount thing right here that slides directly onto the bottom here. And then you pull these little lock tabs that are right on here. So it's locked, you just go like that. And boom, it's on there, it ain't moving. So yeah, that's what we're looking like so far. It looks pretty legit right now. All right, and the next thing we have here in this setup is this Portkeys BM5 external monitor. And the accessory you're gonna need with like the monitor like this, since it doesn't come with anything, we have one of these little small rig attachments right here. So boom, that's what it looks like with the little thing on. And then you got, obviously you need power for it, so you gotta put a battery on the back of it. The monitor, and this just easily screws on the top handle right here. So I'm gonna twist this to tighten it on the top handle. So then you got that. Obviously, in order for this to work with the camera, you gotta put the HDMI cable in. So let's do that now. And so bam, here we go. Now all that's left is to put a lens on this thing. So let's do that now. And the lens we are rocking here is the Lumix 35 to 100 f2.8. For those that don't know, this is a micro four thirds camera, meaning it's a 2 times crop to what a full frame camera would be. So this being a 35 to 100, it basically have a 7200 in this little tiny compact lens. And the thing I really like about this is that when you zoom, the barrel doesn't come out, so that's really nice. And it's a constant aperture of f2.8, so when you zoom out, you don't lose that depth of field and stuff. So let's put that on. And then boom, that's what it looks like. And that's what this camera rig looks like when it's all put together. It's pretty fancy schmancy and stuff. So I would also like to mention just one more accessory that we do have. We have this Viltrox speed booster. It's a Canon EF mount to micro four thirds adapter. So basically what this does, it allows me to use my Canon lenses on this camera that we have here. The other setup I do use with this, which you would have seen in the thumbnail, is a Canon 24-105 with this adapter, which is how I put this on the camera. And the other thing I really like about this is that it gives you a few more f-stops in your lens. So the Canon 24-105 lens I do have is an f4 lens, which isn't that great in low light, but when I put this adapter on and put it on the camera, it gives me an f2.8 aperture, which is what this lens is. So that's pretty nice. I'll give you guys a little camera quality test really quick to show you guys what it looks like. So here's what y'all look like to me. Y'all look pretty cute and fancy right there. You guys wondering, I'm shooting on the Canon EOS R right now, which is the last camera video I did, and I'm shooting in 4K and C-Log on that camera, and on this camera I'm shooting in ProRes HQ in 4K. So this is what y'all look like. So yeah, there you guys go. That's the video really. Here's the setup. Looks fancy schmancy. If you guys would like a more in-depth video on this camera, I can do that for you guys. Just drop a like on the video or leave a comment if you guys really want that. So yeah, with that, that's it. Guys, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.